Meanwhile, an acute snowstorm has wreaked havoc on a Bolivian highway in the early hours of Tuesday, creating chaos and also leaving dozens of vehicles stranded. The intense snowfall has caused bedlam on this highway and has left many travelers stranded. There was a huge traffic jam that appeared on the highway because of the snow, and this of course impeded the movement of the people further.
Bueno, eso sí, ha caído una intensa nevada en el sector de la Cumbre hasta el sector de la Rinconada, producto del cual ha cubierto la totalidad de la plataforma, la capa asfáltica, y más o menos desde las 4 de la mañana que se ha suscitado esto, estamos trabajando.
According to the country's highway administrator, the road has been cleared, but caution has been advised. The Bolivia's defense ministry has warned about weather in the coming days, noting that rain and thunderstorms were on the horizon, and this could, of course, create some very difficult conditions for people to move around. Thousands of Bolivian families have been affected because of the extreme weather conditions. WION is now available in your country. Download the app now and get all the news on the move.